in both situations, it wasn't raining, which I think illustrates a pretty good point when talking about dangers of lightning.
And people talk about how hot is it? 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. So about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit it can get. Jacksonville's actually our top 10 cities in the country, 68 on average lightning days per year. And of course we can have more than that. Most people, like Lou said, get struck when it's not raining. So that lightning can actually strike 10 miles outside of where those raindrops are falling. 2 of the biggest causes of lightning strike deaths is when people are out fishing. You don't have a place to go. Also, if you're out at the beach and you don't have a shelter to run to.
Wow.
So that is why we say when thunder roars, head indoors.
That's right. That one sticks in your head.
Exactly.
And wait 30 minutes until that last rumble of thunder, because the most dangerous, the deadliest of the lightning strikes, what you call positive strikes. They come from the highest point of the cloud, the furthest point away. They can hit from 10 miles away, these particular types of lightning strikes. And with that but thinking about a storm being 10 miles, so I mean, you're talking about, oh, it's been 15, 20 minutes, the sun's already back out, that big towering cumulus puffy cloud we see way off in the distance is gone. Now we're safe to get back out. Not necessarily, right? So another way to stay safe. And with these types of situations, when we're talking about condos, homes hit in the brush fire, but luckily in these scenarios there haven't been injuries.
Yeah, that's a big one.
You can always fix property. Loss of life though you can't replace. So get inside, and then so be it if the house it gets hit. You call the fire department. Prof. Swimmer there was talking about we got everybody safe. You lose maybe a television or something like that, but for heaven's sakes, get inside. That is always the safest place to be.
All right, Lauren, Lou, thanks for that.
For sure.